Hello traders. The title of the video is Price Action Trading Tips and Tricks. Are you looking for price action trading tips and tricks? If yes, well, let's get started. Alright. When I start trading first, I was using the stochastic and MACD indicators and also moving averages. Alright. And I was always thinking that it will be very good for me if I can only look at the price action and trade the price action alone. Alright. But I find that very challenging, and over the years I keep my eyes wide open trying to interpret the language of the price action. When a beginner day trader or swing trader start trading first, they will prefer the technical indicators. As they are maturing as advanced technical traders, they start paying attention to the price action, and most of those traders will start embracing the area weight theory and the price action itself. All right. In order to use the price action like a pro and make excellent decision using the price action as a day trader or swing trader or chartist, all right, we need to use what we call a market stable data. All right. So one simple tips and trick that you can use is to use the market stable data. So you may say to me, George, what is the market stable data? And I will tell you, my friend, the market stable data is something that is true in a financial market. All right, something that is true in a financial market. All right. So one example is this. One example of market stable data is that no financial instrument will go up or down, for no reason. The price is always headed to a specific target level. So in order to understand what the price is trying to do, you need to grasp that important market stable data, that if it's going up, it's just trying to hit a target. There is always a midpoint target and also ultimate target. With that, we should be able to interpret the language of the price and know where it's likely to reverse. So people are looking for the top of the market or reversal, a trading signal. You want to understand that market stable data, that no financial instrument will go up or down for no reason, is always headed to a specific target level. So I have a question for you, all right? Look at the price action here, all right? Look at the price action here. Should you buy here now or should you sell? What's going on, all right? So the price start going, so you see, it went down, now it start going up. Okay, so as it start going up from here, it's going to a target level. Do you know that? It's going to a target level. So in order to understand why the price is doing what it's doing here and what is likely to take place next, you need to know where is Z headed, where is the price headed, all right? So now, if you look carefully, if you keep your eagle eye wide open, you will see that the price formed a V pattern, went down, and then returned to the starting point. All right. So as you see here, it went down from this low here. As it's going now, from here, where was the first target? The first target is this one here. So there was this pivot point, a resistance level, and from there, so here it was going up, yes or no? Okay. Now it calmed down. Now it's recovering. The price after going down is recovering. So what will be the target is where it fell from. So it fell. So anytime you see a financial instrument, this is about tips and tricks, price action, tips and tricks. All right. If a financial instrument goes down from A to B, all right, and it starts recovering, all right, where is it going? It's going to where it comes down from. Do you understand? So suppose you were standing on a chair, all right, and you fell down, all right, and now you fall down and you want to recover. What your recovery is that you want to get up and stand again on that chair, yes or no? take back your position, yes or no? So here, he went down from here all the way here, is recovering. It means that he's trying to get back to 8 feet, which will return to the initial point, which is what we call the cycle point. So this point here is a cycle point. That's the recovery zone. All right. Okay. So SAS is going up from here. That was the target there. So the midpoint target, as you start going up here, there is always two target level. The ultimate target, as you start recovering from here, is going here. So you know exactly what's going on. So if you fail to reach that level and start going down, you know that the bearish momentum is increasing again. All right. So if you fall down, you are trying to stand up, you fall again. All right. It's a weakness, isn't it? All right. So the midpoint is so from here to here, if you place a vertical line, you divide in two. So you see here, this was the midpoint here. So you start going now, the ultimate target is here, where you start falling from. The midpoint target here, you can see that traders, am I talking to myself? They take profit here at the midpoint level. So I was asking you a simple question before, all right? Should we buy here or should we sell? What is going on? So this is about understanding the price action, okay, and how do we handle it. So now that we see that V pattern, which is a powerful pattern, sometimes you will form a cup and handle pattern. If you want to know more about cup and handle chart pattern, go to www.stochastic-market.com, click on cup and handle pattern. So you measure the width of that V pattern. And because this is a cycle point, it recovered down. So you see, it stand back to, you return to its initial point. Now, if you start going now, where is it going? All right. What's happened below will happen up. As it was below, so it will be above. So you see, it went deep like this. Now that it goes above, it will try to achieve this depth again. Are you getting it now? All right. Are you getting the tips and tricks about price action? So you also, so here it is. That's the target again there, the ultimate target. As you start going up from here, this is where it's headed. Now you see it. So there's a target there. That's why some traders are taking profit here. So it's a tricky place to buy. So it's going up, it's going up, it's going up, and you say, oh, it's going up, I should buy. Don't buy here. Don't buy when it comes near this level. The best thing, so if you want to buy, it will be better to go above that level of $42.893, break above, retest, use a different time frame trading method to trade it like a pro. You see, people are taking profit. So those who understand the price action, okay, they know that there's a target here, and they are coming out a bit here. All right, so in a higher low, before you reach that ultimate target. Here it is, my friend. I have not finished yet. Stay with me, please. There was always a midpoint target. Can you see the midpoint target? Here. So here it is. People took profit in that zone. Here, you see how it breaks above the midpoint target and retest it here. So all you are doing, you set the ultimate target and then you divide it into two. All right. See here? Beautiful. Look at that. How they play nicely. Okay? Now they are taking profit here. All right, so either you buy above, break above, retest, or it come back here, find a support at this level. That will be another place, or it come back all the way here again to the cycle point. So that's one example, one tips and trick that you can use to understand what the price is doing using what? A market stable data that no financial instrument will go up or down for no reason. Is always headed to a specific target level. All right, you want to set the ultimate target and also the midpoint targets. Understand the price. That if the price goes down from A to B and it starts recovering, it will try to go back to the starting point, which is the ultimate target. So here it goes up to the target level. All right, it rises to that level. If it starts coming down, the ultimate target is again from the point where it started from. So it starts going down from here all the way here. If you start going up, you try to go back here. Now it's here now at the target level. If it's going down more, the target, the ultimate target is this level again, and the midpoint target is here. All right. If it goes above this target level of $42.93, we use this again, we project it up above that level into the future, and we set again the ultimate target and the midpoint target. Are you getting it now? But I haven't finished yet. Stay with me, please, because I'm getting a bit excited myself. There's something else. If you draw a trend line, hopefully my software will allow me to do that. I don't know why it's doing this with me now. I think I have to install this TC2000. So see this point and this point. So I ignore this top here. Okay, I have a reason. Okay, but if you like, we do it so they don't get confused. So connect to this point and this point. All right, you see now. So that's one example I gave you already. So now another example is this: understanding the language of the price. So, what am I doing? That's a very good question. What are you doing, George? So connecting this point and this point. So the price was in a declining channel, blah, 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 blah. Now it breaks above it and then retest it here on the edge and then boom, it starts going up, you see? So I'm choosing 1 point below this low here. So there was a declining channel, can you see that? So another way to set a target, apart from what I've told you before, we can also use this channel. This is about market geometry. We'll measure the width of that wide. What's going on? What's going on? Oh, my friend. Hold on, please. So, are you getting? So we measure. What's going on here? The width of that declining channel. That's another way again to know, to understand the price action. It breaks above it. Project it like this. This is a market geometry. Keep your eyes wide open. Project it like this. And we draw a line that is parallel to that declining channel. We want to make sure it's truly parallel. Oh, what's going on? What's going on with my software? TC2000. I have to uninstall it and try again. Are you getting the message? Okay, we measure the width and we project it again in the direction of the price here. We want to make sure it's parallel. You see, it's parallel. It's nicely parallel, okay? You see here? So if you do that instead of the first one, so you see it was a declining channel, and you project that channel as I did now, your target will be here, the edge of that channel. So this will be instead your target. It's happening all over the place. That will be your ultimate target after it comes out of that declining channel, and your midpoint target will be the median line of that projected channel. This new channel here. What's going on with this? Well, do you understand? So we divide this top channel into two, and the midpoint is somewhere here, a median line of. Are we going to do it today or not? I'm still here, traders. Okay, we do it now. Very good. All right. So your new target. So this is the midpoint target. You see how the price acknowledges that zone. That will be your midpoint target there. So if it breaks above that decline channel, you project it like this. But you see here, so it came to the median line, stop there. Did people take profit there? You see, that's the median, and they took profit there. And then you can buy again here, and your ultimate target will be the edge of that red trend line. Now that it's above it, you will use again the width of that original channel and project it on top of the red line. And again, you will draw a line that is parallel to the first one, and you will also divide it into two. And so the edge of the third channel will be your ultimate target again, and the median line of that third channel will be your midpoint target. So those are the tips and tricks that you can use to master the price action trading, like the stock chartists or stock chart traders. All right. So this will conclude our discussion today about the price action trading, tips and tricks using market geometry that consists of no financial instrument will go up or down for no reason. It always headed to a specific price level. In order to understand the language of the price or to master the price action trading, one must use a market stable data and most importantly, understand that the price always headed to a specific target level. We want to highlight the ultimate target, the midpoint target, okay, as I'll show you in this tutorial. All right. So if you have any question or suggestion, please put in the comment section. And in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. Let us know whether the audio is gorgeous, is clean, or because the previous video we have some issue with the audio. I have managed to fix it. Did I or not? Let me know. All right, in the comment section. All right. So if this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, please mark it down. If you think this is an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell. So anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about price action, trading, tips and tricks. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon.